Alright, so how are you? So today we were gonna continue cooking the Japanese sour fruit that a friend gave to me. I forgot again what's the exact name in Japanese, but it's a Chinese plums. It's a kind of plum, but it's not. But it has something to do with momo or peach. So imagine a combination of plum and peach. That's the fruit that we're going to incorporate in our classic Filipino dish, and that is chicken adobo. Yes, so this is the chicken cut in Japan. It's not it's not common to see this kind of cut, I think, in the Philippines. So let's use what's available in our supermarket. And we have potatoes here. We don't have carrots because I think we're gonna go overboard to our weekly budget if we buy carrots. And then we have our ginger, because yes, I eat ginger. And then our garlic, because I eat garlic. I eat spices actually, as long as they're yummy. And we will also be using this one, our grated ginger, if you haven't watched the karaage recipe. So this is one of the main ingredients there. So visit the video, and yes, the videos prior to this adobo recipe is in the description, so please check that out. So ingredients are the chicken, slices of chicken, cuts of chicken, our garlic, our ginger, our potatoes, and this, the plum, Chinese plum, but it has something to do with momo. I forgot the whole name. I'm really sorry. If you know or ask your Japanese friend, please ask them. And yes, of course, soy sauce. We will add soy sauce, and we will be using Japanese soy sauce, the Kikkoman. And yeah, and let's see what will be the taste after couple of minutes.
Okay.
But not really 2 to 3 minutes, like around 30 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna share how will I arrange this before the time lapse, because you know me, I love time lapse. So first, and then let's add our ginger, and then our garlic, and then we massage our chicken using this one, and then let's add potato, and then soy sauce, and then cook. That's it. That's the procedure. And then let's wait until the chicken is tender, and tikiman time later. So that's all. See you. Let's go. days later. All right, okay, so okay, never mind my face. So here's our chicken adobo using Japanese sour fruit, or the Chinese plum, but it's Japanese. Let's taste. This is the plum that Soupy, sour. It's really sour. Not bad actually. It tastes like adobo, but healthier taste. Like there's a lot of like natural. It's not the generic like soy sauce kind of taste. Like guava, the sweetness of guava and the sourness of sampalo into this plum dish. And the ginger. This is a good food experiment to combine the plum and our adobo. But if I were to choose adobo or the paksiw, I would choose the paksiw because it's something new, yet it's homey, similar with adobo. But I just prefer the paksiw over adobo for this time. But I'm adobo, team adobo. Wow, oishi, so oishi, 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 oishi. Now I'm gonna finish this one, but you will see that in the ASMR video. So if you haven't watched my ASMR episodes, it's all there. Those foods were cooked by me, and I just made them all, and I'm proud of them. And they're delicious. They sound delicious, and they're easy to make actually. Okay, goodbye. Hi. See you in ASMR episodes. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.